Hello people, in this lecture we're gonna see the differences between ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET Framework. Both ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET Framework are frameworks for building web applications, but they serve different purposes and are designed for different scenarios. Understanding their differences will help you choose the right tool for your projects. ASP.NET Framework, the traditional .NET framework, released in 2002, primarily designed for Windows-based applications, integrated into the Windows ecosystem and has rich support for enterprise applications. Key features: Windows only, runs only on Windows operating systems. Rich libraries for Windows apps, provides extensive libraries for handling Windows-based requirements like WCF and Windows authentication. Mature and stable, ideal for legacy applications or projects already running on this platform. Let's talk about the topic of this course, which is ASP.NET Core, a modern open source cross-platform framework introduced in 2016, so it's really recent. To address the limitations of the traditional framework, focuses on flexibility, performance, and cloud-ready applications. Its key features are cross-platform, it runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It's optimized for lightweight and modular applications with minimal overhead, so it has a really high performance, designed with the modern cloud-based and containerized deployments in mind. So if you use Azure, if you use AWS, it's cloud native. You don't have to do anything. ASP.NET Core is supported by these cloud providers. It's an open source framework, actively maintained and improved by Microsoft and us, the developer community. When to use each? ASP.NET Framework is used for existing projects that are heavily tied to Windows and legacy enterprise systems that relies on Windows specific libraries. ASP.NET Framework is really powerful. If you start on a company that uses ASP.NET Framework, it's difficult for them to change the entire ecosystem that the company already has. Before, ASP.NET Framework is really complete and has any key feature that a developer would need for an application. But ASP.NET Core is more modern and more complete compared to ASP.NET Framework. When to use ASP.NET Core? Modern projects, modern web apps requiring cross-platform support, projects needing high performance and scalability, cloud-first or containers applications. To conclude it, ASP.NET Core represents the future of .NET development, with its focus on cross-platform support and modern development practices. However, ASP.NET Framework remains relevant for legacy systems and enterprise-grade Windows applications. The choice depends on the project requirements and goals. And that's it for this lecture. See you again.